Hi, I'm Lucas from GT Towing, and today I'm going to show you around the Ifor Williams general duty range of trailers. The first one you'll see here is our single axle GD84. This particular trailer is 8 foot long and 4 foot wide internally. They do also offer a 6 foot by 4 foot option, featuring a full width ramp at the rear, making loading and unloading very easy, giving you the ability to walk in and out of the trailer as you please. The single axle models feature as standard rear corner prop stands, enabling you to stabilise the trailer when it's unhitched from the vehicle, preventing it from tilting backwards whilst you're loading or unloading. This range is a braked trailer range. The single axle trailers feature a 1.4 tonne or 1400 kilogram gross weight capacity. This then offers a payload of around the 1000 kilo 1 tonne mark. The GD84 is available as a twin axle, as we see here, and this increases your gross weight capacity to 2700 kilos. Whilst the trailer weighs around 500 kilos, you'll have a payload of over 2 tonne with this model. All of the models within this range have the optional feature of adding mesh sides to your trailer. This will increase capacity internally. We also offer the ability to add a canvas cover to protect the inside of the trailer from weather and stop the ability from people being able to see inside the trailer if you're carrying precious goods. As we move through the range, we also offer the GD85. This is the same length, 8 foot long, but 1 foot wider with a total width of 5 foot internally. This again available as a single or a twin axle model, again with or without mesh sides. The carrying capacity of this trailer, weighing slightly more, is around 2100 kilos. For those larger applications, we offer the GD105. This trailer is 2 feet longer at 10 feet and still 5 foot wide. You'll have just over a 2000 kilogram payload on this particular model. As you'll see, all of these trailers feature the very popular full width ramp option, and this is most commonly used for those looking to transport their ride-on mowers, their quad bikes and any small vehicles. The general duty range feature the spare wheel that you see mounted on the side of the trailer, and that's a standard feature, as well as LED marker lights on the front of the trailer. The general duty range features lashing points on the outside of the trailer. It is possible on all of the general duty range to have extra lashing points fitted within the floor of the trailer. These will be recessed into the floor, so do not take up any loading space. And if you have extended mesh sides on the trailer where the external rope hooks aren't accessible, this will then give you a place to strap your goods down.